Hello students, welcome to the class. Let's start chapter 18, Culture and Heritage of India. In this chapter, we'll come to know about the language of India, dresses of India, dance, music, architecture, festivals and painting of India. India possesses a 5,000-year-old rich culture and heritage. The festivals, monuments, costumes, music and dance, language and literature of India clearly depicts its unity is diversity. So the festivals, monuments, costumes, music, dance, language and literature of India shows the unity in diversity. Language. In India, there are 22 languages recognized by the Indian Constitution. These are the 22 languages. These languages are recognized by Indian Constitution. These languages are spoken in more than 1,600 dialects. Dialects are different forms of the same language. The different forms of the same language is known as dialect. For example, Hindi is spoken in different ways in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. The official language of India is Hindi, however, English is the official working language. So, Hindi is spoken in different ways in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, and the official language of India is Hindi and the official working language is English. Indian languages are written in two different ways. In two different ways, Indian language are written. Indian language can be written, and most of them are written from left to right. But Kashmiri, Sindhi and Urdu are written from right to left. Most of the language are written from left to right, but Kashmiri, Hindi and Urdu, these languages are written from right to left. Each language has a set of letters in which it is written. It is known as a script. Each language has a set of letters. So, these set of letters in which it is written is known as script. Dress. The clothing in India is related to the local culture, religion and climate. Indians wear colorful and varied dresses. Most Indian women wear sari with a blouse depending upon the culture of their region. Women drape their sari in different ways. Women in Gujarat, Maharashtra and West Bengal drape saris in their unique styles. So the dressing style is depend on the culture, religion and climate, and Indians wear colorful dresses and women wear sari with a blouse, and depending on their culture, the women wear according to their culture. The women wear sari according to their culture. They drape saris in different ways, and in Gujarat, Maharashtra and West Bengal, women drape saris in unique style, and women in Assam wear mekhla chador, a two-piece sari. So the mekhla is wrapped like a lungi and the chador is wrapped separately to cover the upper body. So women in Assam wear mekhla chador. It is a two-piece sari, and the mekhla is wrapped like a lungi and chador is wrapped separately to cover the upper body. Another popular dress worn by women in India is salwar kameez. So salwar kameez is the another popular dress worn by women in India, worn by Indian women. Here you can see a couple from Manipur. The dressing style of men and women in different states. A couple from Manipur, then a couple from Gujarat, then a couple from Bengal and couple from Kerala. So these are the dressing style. Women in Rajasthan, Gujarat and Haryana wear a short blouse called choli and a pleated skirt known as ghagra or lehenga. So women in Rajasthan, Gujarat and Haryana wear lehenga or ghagra. They cover their heads with odhni. Girl wear a long skirt called pavada in Andhra Pradesh. Women cover their head with odhni and pavada is a long skirt worn by girl in Andhra Pradesh. The men in India wear shirts and trousers. However, men mostly in villages still wear traditional clothes like kurtas, lungi, dhoti and pajamas. Indian men wear shirts and trousers, but in villages still men wear traditional clothes like kurtas, lungis, dhotis and pajamas. Dhoti is a piece of cloth which is tied at the waist. Kurta is a type of tunic. In South India, men mostly wear shirt and lungi. Lungi is a type of dhoti. It is called vesti in Tamil Nadu and mundu in Kerala. So dhoti is a piece of cloth tied at a waist and kurta is a type of tunic. And in South India, men wear shirt with lungi. A lungi is a type of dhoti, and in Tamil Nadu it is called vesti, and in Kerala it is called mundu. Headgears are worn in different styles by men and are known by different names in different parts of India. Headgears are worn in different style by men, and there are different names of headgears in different parts of India. The people of Kashmir wear a long woolen kurta called firan, and the tribals of Nagaland wear shawls. Each tribe has its own special design. Firan is a long woolen kurta worn by the people of Kashmir, and the tribals of Nagaland wear shawls. Dance. Indian dance. Dance is a form of art. There are two main types of Indian dance. Is classical dance and folk dance. So there are two types of Indian dances. The one is classical dance and the other one is folk dance. These two types of dance have their own costume, jewelry and musical instruments. So these two types of dance have their own costume, jewelry and musical instrument, and classical dance forms originated in different parts of the country. These dances were performed as a form of worship in temples. Later, the dancers performed in the courts of kings. Some of these dances had themes taken from the Indian mythology. So, these dances were performed in temples, and later the dancers performed this dance in the courts of kings. Some classical dances and their states of origin are Bharatnatyam in Tamil Nadu, Odissi in Odisha, Kathak Uttar Pradesh, Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh, Kathakali and Mohiniyattam in Kerala, Satriya in Assam, Yaksha Ganam in Karnataka, Manipuri in Manipur. Their folk dances and tribal dance bring color and joy during festivals and ceremonies such as birth ceremony, wedding, harvest season, etc. These dances are performed in groups. So the folk dance and tribal dance bring joy and color during the festivals and ceremonies like wedding, harvest season, birth ceremony, and these dances are performed in group. Some popular folk dance of different states are Dumhal, Rauf in Jammu and Kashmir, Garba Dandiya, Gujarat, Ghumar in Rajasthan, Chau in Odisha, Hikkat in Himachal Pradesh, Bihu in Assam, Bhangra Gidda of Punjab, Cholia in Uttarakhand, Dhamyal or Dhoop in Haryana, Lavani and Tamasha in Maharashtra. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.